Inventor Lesson 5, Chapter 4. We're going to begin by opening a file called Torque Bar Mirror. Basically, this is all about mirroring. Something that you should be quite familiar with from AutoCAD. So what we're going to do is we're going to first click the mirror option up here. Opens a window like this. You're going to click your features, which are this. And then you're going to click your mirror plane, which is this one. Click OK. There you go. There's your first piece. Now, say if I want to mirror this again. It's going to mirror again. We're going to mirror it over the plane on the bottom. So the plane on the bottom is going to be this one. Once you're done with that, click OK. Now you got that mirrored. Say I want to put a bar in the middle, which is what's in the tutorial. So we're going to create a sketch on the top. Once you have a sketch, you're going to then pull the dimensions from the tutorial, and from the tutorial you can see it's going to be 15 centimeters from the center of the circle. You're going to have a length of 50, and the width is going to be 40. So, 15, 5. Sorry, God, and 5. So once you have that, you can then move this in. So there's a couple ways of doing the from the center part. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to type in 15, which makes it 15 no matter what. Now another option I have for making this in the center, because you kind of notice it's a little bit off. I'm going to move it down, base point, snap to the middle. If it snaps, doesn't, you can just kind of eyeball it. And once you're sure that you have it in the middle, which means it should be 2.5 from the center line, and if you want to really be sure that you have it in the middle, that's 2.5 there, and it would be considered 15 top, 50 side, 5 over. And once you're done with that, now you know that's in the middle, and you're going to extrude it downwards. So this is, if you remember from the last tutorial, you're going to have to extrude it. And the way you extrude this is a 2 extrude. So change direction and 2. And the 2 is going to be to this. Once that's done, which you notice I just cut it. Whoops. So let's go back. You can always edit this. Problem was that. Now you notice how it fills in. So once you have that in, you're going to then put in some chamfer, fillets. These fillets are going to be 1 millimeter in radius, and they're going to be on the corners. So let's go up to fillets, 1 millimeter. Go in, you're going to select corners, tops, this might be a little bit difficult just to get these. once you have all those selected, notice how it's 12. That's how you know you got all of them. You can then click apply, fillets all of them. Now you click X out of there. Now you're going to mirror it again. So you're going to mirror this sketch that you just created, which is these two, over the same axis as the last one, and it's going to then create the same drawing on the other side. So let's do features. Notice how I'm using the menu from the beginning. This is actually one of those things that is unique to Inventor that's very useful. So let's click the plane. Here's your plane. Click OK. There it is. Now the last thing you do is a little change the hole size, which is one of probably the easiest things you'll do on this one. You go up here, click hole, and you're going to change the hole size to, actually, no, not that. You're going to go in and click edit feature. It's going to bring this up. All you're going to do is you're going to change this to 5. Notice how it changes in everything. This is one of those other things about Inventor, is everything connected. So when you change one thing, it goes across all of the different commands you did from there down. It goes from one mirror to another mirror to another mirror, and this also is the case if you change something in a part file, it'll change it in the presentation file, and it's really helpful so you don't have to go back and change each one of these individual holes, and speeds up your revision process. Now you can export this as a PDF and just don't save it.